Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in today's video I will show you which fuse you can try checking in case your keyless entry, your key fob is not working. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. The keyless entry fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Now to open up the fuse box, you'll have two clips, one here, one here. You want to press on each of those to unlock it and then leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, now you want to check fuse number 27, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. This is the fuse responsible for the wireless control module and the keyless entry module. So if you've checked your key fob batteries and everything and still can't figure out why your key fobs are not working, this is actually the most common cause. This fuse burns often, and that's something you should check before doing any kind of deeper diagnostics or spending any kind of money. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.